Dear students, as a team member of Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, I, Nidhi Rani, strive to continue to find various ways to work and have that connection with all of you during such difficult times, as being apart has been a challenge, much like you. I'm navigating new territories and learning new things. The hardest part of remote learning is not being able to physically meet and communicate. I want you to know that you are still very much loved and everything I do is for you only. As a student, the most important thing to remember is that laziness is your worst enemy and hard work is your best friend. So be confident and work hard to achieve your dreams. Be a good human who helps everyone. School is important, but so is your health. Take care of yourself and your family. And no matter what happens this year, be proud of yourself and your ability to adapt to extreme circumstances. I'm proud of each and every one of you. Miss you all. Enjoy your vacations.
Father, mother, and teacher are like a God. Keeping these values in our mind, we strengthen our love lives with values to create strong bonding with family and school. It can be clearly seen that even in this pandemic time, students have inculcated many values in them like family meal time and dinner time gossips and conversations are back. Now it's more family time when we are strengthening our bonds and helping one another. The classic TV shows are now back on television and we all sit with our families and enjoy watching them. The epic learnings foster a great impact on the young generation and thus led to embrace the values of traditionalism and spiritualism. Love for nature has increased. Love lights are also pondering their love to protect Mother Earth. Finally, you have more time to spend with yourself and your opinions and thoughts. Let us all take to introspection and show love and care to win and succeed. We consider it our responsibility to foster the future of the world. That is why we give importance to character building and moral values. Thank you.
A very elegant good morning to one and all present over here. You are watching RPM Wisdom News. I, Rashi Bhalla, will apprise you with the lovely news. Let's look at some important news of the day. Love Lights celebrated Earth Day from their homes in this lockdown. International Labour Day was celebrated online this year. Love Lights proved that father, mother and teachers are like God. Well said by someone. Haste haste cut jayenge raste. As laughter is the closest thing to the grace of the God. Where everyone is upset in this lockdown, the students of RPM Lovely Public Senior Secondary School are entertaining everyone with their lovely smiles. Let's have a look.
Chakaraka chicha cho chakaloram gando wando lakarakatam akko takko idigidigidigo idipai chiki chakacho gili gili mal sulu sulu mal makaraka hukubukure tukubukure chakalaka bikko chikko sili 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 go jagradum chiki chakacho. देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई
As we all know, is wealth. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. All the festivities were done while respecting the ongoing lockdown of our country. On the occasion of World Health Day, students did yoga with the help of online yoga classes. The students were welcomed and supported by following instructions and posting pictures of their own self doing yoga. Let's have a look. Now, let's see how the children celebrated Earth Day by drawing beautiful pictures and gave a beautiful message to the society. Our goal is not just an environment of clean air, water, and scenic beauty. The objective is to create an environment of digital equality where mutual respect for all other human beings and all other living creatures. Let's have a look.
The earth is my home, I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. United with friends, I promise to keep it. United with friends, I will love the land. United with friends, I'll be a defender. I will save the earth.
We will update you with some information shortly. Till then, keep on watching our RPM Wisdom. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.